orange too.
Oh, this is so boring. I want to do something. Aha! I'll just play some VR. Whoa, let's start.
Oh, hey, can I get some tweezers and towels? Becca! Huh?
I got a win race!
Hey, what's going on over there?
Professor! Becca, look what you did!
Huh? What is it? Oops.
What are we gonna do?
I'm out of here.
Come back!
Wait till the dean hears about this. You're gonna be in big trouble!
Haha, this should help me stay awake. Hey! Hi, Professor.
How dare you not pay attention in my class? Now you have to complete these worksheets.
All of this?
Yeah, you have to complete it by the end of the day.
What? But that's not fair.
No.
I don't want to get caught with my phone. I know.
That's enough. Let's get back to class. Lily, what's that in your hand?
This is just my poppet toy, Professor.
Huh? You're sneaking a poppet and a phone? You know what? Go to the dean's office.
But Professor...
You broke the rules. Get out of here. And you, finish your worksheets.
You're going down, Becca.
Yeah, we'll see.
Good morning, class. Put the video games away. We're about to start class.
Okay, Professor.
Yeah, I'm almost done. Huh?
I already told you, if you want it back, you'll have to get it after class.
But Professor...
The only thing on your desk should be a notebook.
Ooh, Becca, can I play?
I guess.
Huh? What's going on over there?
Games? We don't have any games. Who's playing games?
Lily, you're looking suspicious. Aha! Becca, give me all your games.
This is my tablet. I use it for class. Look.
Wow, Becca, you're working so hard in my class. Good job. All right, you guys, get back to your work.
Ooh, that was close. Let's keep playing.
Okay, but be careful this time.
Okay.
Becca, you didn't turn in your worksheet. Hello? Earth to Becca. Becca, I'm talking to you.
Sorry, Professor. I got distracted because my book is so interesting.
Very interesting book, Becca.
It's not what it looks like. I was just taking a break from my work. But I needed it because I was trying to do research.
That's enough. The whole class now has to write a 10-page essay on following the rules.
The whole class?
Yeah. You can thank Becca. If you don't finish it by the end of the class, you get a 0.
Seriously?
Yes. Get back to work.
Writing this essay is so stressful. I need some music. Oh! To sneak music into class, all I need is an AirPod and tape. Put a piece of tape on the base of the AirPod. Now I'll stick it to my wrist.
Hey, who's playing music?
You already took my phone, Professor.
What about you, Lily?
I don't have anything. See?
Huh? Nothing here either. I guess I'm just hearing things. Whatever. Your essay's still due by the end of today.
Oh, man. At least I can still listen to music. Please, Professor, just give me a little bit more time. Check someone else's locker.
I announced the locker check last week. Now step aside. Huh? Look at this mess. I have to deduct points. You have to stay after class to clean this.
That's not fair.
Unfair. You had an entire week.
Oh no, I can't let Professor see all my games. I know. To make my locker look more organized, all I need are book printouts and cardboard. First, cut out the books. Now that it's cut out, just add some glue. And stick it onto the cardboard. Once the books are glued on, just trim off the excess cardboard.
That's final. Now take your seat. What about you, Becca?
Here, Professor.
Great job, Becca. Your locker looks great. You get extra credit.
What? Seriously, Professor?
Yeah, you have to learn how to be a better student like Becca.
It worked perfectly. Haha, yes, yeah. Ooh.
How many times do I have to tell you? No games in class.
Sorry, I was just...
No electronics in class. If I see one again, you all get detention.
I won't get in trouble if Professor can't see my phone. First, cut the side of the box. Now I can put my phone inside.
Hey, what's that sound? I said no to electronics.
You already took my games. I'm not doing anything.
What about you, Lily?
I don't have an electronic. I'm just coloring my graphs, see?
Maybe it's just my game. Nah, forget it. Let's get back to work.
Okay, Professor.
Yeah, let's go.
Great form, Becca. Hey, grab your equipment. You have to participate.
Oh, yeah. Man, I just want to play games. I know. Ow, I hurt my leg.
Huh? What's going on? Do you need to go to the nurse's office?
It's okay. I have an ice packet in my locker.
All right, just rest over there. Hey, pick up the pace. Everything okay, Lily?
Yeah, I'm just resting my knee.
Okay, good.
Yes, now I can play games in gym class.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.